So hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to add video watermark on YouTube videos. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, you need to log in your dashboard like YouTube dashboard, and now go to customize, and here you can see 150 into 150 pixels, right? So your watermark should be in 150 into 150 pixels. So let's Google it. Pixel subscribe button. Okay, so you can also search same keyword in Google. Then you can see the number of subscribe button images. Now you can select an image that you wanna upload as your watermark. Now I just select a image that, yeah, I will select this image, and now just open a new tab and click on save image. Okay, so now I just rename it subscribe watermark. Okay, done. Okay, so after this you need to go to your Creator Studio again, and now click on upload, and here you can select and open your watermark and just click on your done button. Okay, so this is how you can add video watermark on YouTube videos. So thank you for watching.